News from West Bengal, and after the massive tragedy at Kolkata's Anandapur as a horrific fire gutted the Wow Momo warehouse in which 21 people died while they slept, now Union Home Minister Amit Shah has slammed the Mamata government. When he was on his West Bengal visit, he claimed that Mamata government is behind the deadly fire, further stating after April BJP will form government and take the culprits behind the fire, put them behind bars. Meanwhile, following an NDTV report, unit manager Raja Chakrabarti and Deputy Manager Manoranjan Sheeth have now been sent to 6-day police custody. The National Human Rights Commission has also stepped in, taking cognizance of the systemic neglect that led to this disaster.
आनंदपुर वेयर हाउस में मोमो फैक्ट्री में लगी हुई आग में मारे गए सभी श्रमिकों को श्रद्धांजलि देकर मेरी बात की शुरुआत करना चाहता हूं। ये जो अग्निकांड हुआ है, ये कोई एक्सीडेंट नहीं है। जो ये आनंदपुर वेयर हाउस में अग्निकांड हुआ है, वो ममता बनर्जी सरकार के भ्रष्टाचार के चलते हुआ है।
BJP's politics is the politics of division, politics of hatred. And no one should politicize an unfortunate incident. Everyone, irrespective of their political differences, caste, creed and religion, should unite. And as responsible persons of the media, representatives of the media, I urge all of you to join hands and help the administration in making sure such incidents are not repeated in the future. Why will any political party politicize an unfortunate incident? Amit Shah Bangla itihas jane na.
Before, during and after a fire, there are certain steps that should have been taken, which has not been taken in this case. That is what resulted in the fire. The law enforcement agencies, the owner of the warehouse, all are responsible in equal measure for the mishap that has taken place. The basic tenet of safety is that accidents are not accidental. There should be a human factor behind it.
यहाँ पर एक्सीडेंट हुआ, मोस्ट अनफॉर्चुनेट, पुलिस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, तो गवर्नर साहब ऐसा कोई कमेंट ना करे कि प्लानफुली भाजपा को जो नैरेटिव चाहिए वो गवर्नर साहब सेट कर रहा है, ऐसे ठीक नहीं हो रहा है।
This boy, the owner of the Momo, is very close to Chief Minister. And second, all the victims are Hindus. Hindus are not vote bank. This Sarkar, this government is functioning like Bangladeshi Jamati government.
ममता बनर्जी की इसमें कोई ध्यान नहीं है। कहाँ महाराष्ट्र में क्या हुआ है, दिल्ली में क्या करना है, इसमें ज्यादा उनकी तवज्जो देते हैं। और उनकी अपना स्टेट में नाजिराबाद में एक के बाद एक आम गरीब लोग जो कोई गोदाम में काम करते, रोटी रोजी कमाने के लिए ठहरते थे, हुआ आग लग गई और ये आग के चलते हुआ कितने लोगों की मौत हो चुकी है उसका पता नहीं।